Hi everyone, I hope you've all been doing well. My name is Anne. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. In this channel, we talk about personal finance, different ways that you can make money online, and business ideas that you can get started. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Today we're going to look at affiliate marketing, how to get started with affiliate marketing, what you need to do to get started. I'll show you different websites that you can sign up and get started immediately, and how to get started making money with affiliate marketing. So let's get started. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, in simple terms, is selling a product or a service that belongs to another person or another business in exchange of a commission. So with affiliate marketing, you can sell digital products like courses, you can sell softwares, you can sell physical products that like the ones found in Amazon. You can also get paid by sending leads or prospects to a business without necessarily making a sale. Just for taking leads to them, you get paid. So let me show you different sites that I personally work with and which I can recommend to you, and you can get started right away. This is Max Bounty. It's one of the programs that I've made an income from, and it's available globally. There's a process to sign up, which I'll share in a video that I'll link below if you've not watched that video, because there's a process you need to follow. Just make sure you watch that video before you sign up with Max Bounty. So Max Bounty has a lot of products. Most of the products are digital. A few of them are physical products, and most of the products that are available here, you can only market in some countries like the USA, UK, Canada, Australia. Only a few products that you can be able to sell globally. So once you sign up, just come to search, and then these ones are normally checked, all of them. So what you'll do is select whichever kind of traffic you want to send to your offer. If you want to use email, you select email. If you want to use contextual, this is like when you're doing blogs and you want to put your link in your text, so you select that. Display. Search is when you want to use like Google search. Google search to advertise. If you want to use Bing ads, then you choose search. For social media, if you want to use the social media platforms, you select social media. So say for example, we want to market a product in social media. We'll come and remove all these checks here. We remain with social media. Then we choose all countries. You can select a specific country. Like for example, if you want to market in the USA alone, you can select any country that you want to go with. But let's go for any country. And then categories. This is where your niche matters. So if you want, if you're in automotive, then you go for that. If you want to go for business opportunities, business to business, if you like doing the dating blogs, dating marketing, you can go with that. Downloads, e-commerce, there's a lot that you can be able to market and make money. So let's say we want to do email submit. Email submit is where someone just signs up a form and they submit it to the business or that particular company, and you get paid for that. So email submits, make sure you tick this approve to run, then apply search options. For example, this is a sweepstake offer where you can just see what's available. This is an email submit. It's a cash giveaway. So when someone submits their email here to win this amount, they put in their email address and they click on continue, you get paid. And this is you can be able to make this to send people about 300 people to sign up per day. So if you're doing 300 sign-ups per day times 1 point, this is how much are you earning? You're earning 1.6 per lead, one page submit. So when someone just submits their email, you get paid 1.6. So that will be about $300 per day. So that is good cash. So all you just need to do once you open an offer is build link, and then come here and select the traffic. So in our case, we want to do social, and then you select raw. You can select any other that you want to use, but for our case here we're doing social, and then we want a raw link. Then we come and select copy link, and then you can be able to go to the next process of preparing a landing page and then sending people to your link. Once you sign up, you get paid 1.6 per lead. Okay, that is one site called Max Bounty. Make sure to check out the link to watch that video at the description. The other site that I can recommend is Digistore24. This is not complicated to sign up. Just go to digistore24.com and sign up to become an affiliate. There are also different offers here that you can choose, and then once you see a product that you like, just click on promote, like here, promote now, and you'll be able to sign up for that particular affiliate or that particular offer, and you get a link that is special to you. Then you go to the next process of marketing, sending traffic to that that particular offer, and you get who knows, you may start getting conversions and make money. That is digistore24.com. It's easy to sign up. Just go to that site and get to sign up. It's global. The other site that I can recommend is Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus does a lot of make money online products, softwares. So if you're interested in that, you can go for warriorplus.com. Sign up. It's easy to sign up, and all these sites are free to sign up and get started to what happens with Warrior Plus, you see, and just like any other, you see products, and then you ask for approval from the owner of that product. So it's easy, you can be able to maneuver the system. The other one is Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate. So this one is easy again to sign up. I've done a video. I'm also going to link it because there's a process for you to sign up. So make sure you watch that video, sign up for Amazon Affiliate, and then depending with the niche that you choose to go with, there are millions and millions of products that you can market from Amazon. So if you like beddings, mattress, if you like kids products, if you like toys, if you like cats and dogs foods, what is it, laundry, machinery, anything, even vehicles, there's a lot that you can do and market with Amazon and make money. The amount that you get paid with Amazon depends with the product. So they have different categories. So for example, a category like maybe kids stuff, you can get paid like 5% of every product that you sell. So depending the category that you choose, you get paid a certain percentage, but all this information is inside the platform. So once you sign up, you'll be able to access all that. The other one that I can recommend, and I've done a video about it, is Jumia. This is available in Kenya and some African countries. So it's free to sign up. Check out the video that I'll link below and on how to get started with marketing Jumia products and make up to 13% of every sale that you make. The other one that I will recommend is JVZoo. JVZoo does a lot of softwares. So if you're a software person, then go for JVZoo. It's a great platform and you can make a lot of money from the products. So those are some of the platforms that I can recommend. So the next step after signing up is getting an offer. So you go ahead and get, depending on the niche that you choose. So for example, if I want to do softwares, I'll go and get an offer related to what my site is about. If I blog about personal finance, that I'll get products that are related to that. I'll get products about surveys where someone submits an email and I get paid for that. I'll get a product about Facebook, doing Facebook ads. Maybe it's a course and I get paid for that once someone buys that course. So the next thing after getting an offer is sending traffic. So you need to send traffic to the offer, and the process of sending traffic is depending again with the kind of method that you choose to send traffic to the offer. If you want to send traffic through Facebook, then you cannot use a raw link. A raw link means a link like this one, the one we saw in Max Bounty. This one, you'll get blocked by Facebook when you use this. So you need to use a landing page. You need to create a landing page, and one way that you can use a landing page, is through GetResponse. To sign up for GetResponse is easy. Just sign up. Use the link that I'm going to leave below to sign up for GetResponse, and you'll get a 30-day free trial. So, and that is good enough for you to get started. And then after that, you can choose the package that you want to be using. So with GetResponse, you'll get templates that you can use to make landing pages. That is a lesson on its own. I'll do a different video on that, on how to make landing pages. But basically, you need landing pages for your affiliate marketing, because it's very hard to convert a client directly by sending them to the offer directly. So you need to warm them up. You need to warm them up by telling them by showing them the benefits of them signing up or buying that particular product. So landing page is very important. One, because you're going to warm it up, and again, because you'll be able to market the offer in different platforms. So that's it about sending traffic. You can send traffic from social media. You can use Google search. You can use Bing ads. You can use a blog. You can use different platforms like Quora. There are a lot of traffics that you can use different sites that you can use to send traffic. I'm going to do a video soon about that. And then once you send traffic, you just need to there are those people that will sign up immediately if they like the offer, or they've been looking for the offer, and they see that you've advertised, they may go for it immediately. There are those other ones that you need to keep chasing after, and that is why GetResponse comes in by helping you create an email list. So once you do a landing page, you'll be able to collect emails from different people, and then you can keep sending emails to them, and then eventually they will be able to sell. So that's how to get started with affiliate marketing. You can go ahead and sign up in different platforms that I showed you and get started right away with this. There are different ways that you can market the products, as I mentioned, and I'm going to do a video about that separately. That's it about this video. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.